On Windows 11, you can enable nearby sharing in multiple ways. Nearby sharing is a new feature to share any type of files and web links wirelessly to other devices in the network using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable nearby sharing on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on System. Click on Nearby Sharing. Select the Everyone Nearby option. You can choose the My Device Only option to enable sharing only for devices when you are signed in with the same Microsoft account. Once you complete the step, when you click the Share button on the Microsoft Edge, File Explorer, Photos and other apps, the interface will show the available device to share files. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.